Do we have enough room in the refrigerator for all this stuff?
I'll say that. And some macaroni and cheese.
Lord
What is
Jesus.
that? Oh fuck, I still gotta put ham in here and that fucking turkey.
You can put the ham on top of that one.
What's down here? Deviled eggs. I'm put on top of deviled eggs.
Okay, so believe it or not, I actually swept and mopped my floor before Thanksgiving. Before everybody came over, I swept and mopped this thing last night, okay? And cleaned my whole entire kitchen. But it rained today, and this is what the stove's looking like. So, gotta get the stove cleaned. There's a little Thanksgiving remnant for you. Thanksgiving paper plate there in the trash can. So, I'm gonna be concentrating on getting this swept up, mopping up the floors, and believe it or not, that's all the dishes I really used. And there's a few things in here, but not much dishes. But yeah, I'm just gonna wipe everything down really good here in the kitchen, and we're gonna get started with the cleaning because I'm gonna prepare for Christmas. I've already taken down all of my fall decor. The only thing is I need to take down that curtain right there. And I'm going to wipe everything down really, really good all in the house because we're getting ready for Christmas. So I washed up a couple of the dishes. Really, actually, that's all the dishes I had. Praise the Lord. I'm going to clean the sink really, really good here in a minute. And I'm going to film me cleaning it. And I've already mopped my floor. I didn't film it, but look. Does that give y'all any indication of how dirty my floor was? And I literally just mopped it last night. OMG. What the heck? So this concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I started Christmas decorating just a tad bit, but there's more Christmas decorating to come. Please like, share, and subscribe to Texas Decor and more.